One, two, three. There was 3 old gypsies came to our hall door. They came brave and boldly, and the one sang high and the other sang low, and the other sang raggle-taggle gypsy-o. It was upstairs, downstairs the lady went, put on her suits of leather, and there came a cry from around the door, she's away with a raggle-taggle gypsy-o. Servant girl, she said to the Lord, she's away with her raggle-taggle gypsy-o. Well, saddle for me, my milk-white steed, my big horse is not speedy-o, and I will ride till I seek my bride, she's away with her raggle-taggle gypsy-o. Until he came to a wide open plain, it was there that he spied his lady. Tell me, how could you leave your house and your land? How could you leave your money, oh? And how could you leave your only wedded lord, all for a raggle-taggle gypsy-o? Well, what care I for my house and my land? What care I for my money, oh? I'd rather have a cast with the old gypsy's laps, I'm away with a raggle-taggle gypsy-o. How could you leave your goose feather bed, blanket stones so comely, oh? And how could you leave your only wedded lord, all for a raggle-taggle gypsy-o?